What's up, everybody? I'm Chris Rolla, and this is your Valentine's Day 2021 sneaker enthusiast gift guide. This is a perfect gift guide for that special someone in your life that loves all things sneaker related. It's got you covered anywhere budget friendly to a little bit more higher end. Sit back, grab some snacks, and let's get into the video. Number one on our list is the IKEA Sorg shoe trees. I'm pretty sure I butchered that, but they're the shoe trees here at IKEA. They're listed for $1.99. Grab maybe 5-10 of them to get that special someone started with their collection. Maybe it's for shoes that they keep on a regular rotation, or some that just they've had there for years, not worn them. It's perfect to keep any of those creases from forming. So if you wear your shoes constantly, this is perfect to throw in there, and you don't have to worry about anything. It takes the crease basically right out. Any of the big footers, anywhere from 11.5 or 11 all the way to a size 13, it's got you covered also. The only thing I would personally recommend doing is getting a little bit more of the tissue paper, or maybe just the one that comes within your shoe. Just put that inside, keeps it secured. Avoid those creases that every sneaker lover dreads. Number two on our list is the Container Store large drop front shoe boxes. Now these are perfect. This is a case of 6 that you could buy here for about 65 bucks, or they have the individual ones for $11.99. If you have a Container Store near you, they usually have coupons in store that will probably drop these down a little bit more. So maybe it's just sneakers that they have at the bottom of their row. So like for me, I have sneakers stacked up to here, and it's a dread trying to get that bottom shoe that I really want to try on and wear, and I have to pry it and kind of balance the other shoe boxes from falling down. This is a perfect idea to just, maybe you want to start them off with 6 pair, maybe to just take all the shoes at the very bottom row out. They have this covered, pretty much golden with this, and I recommend them. I have quite a few of them myself, but I need to get more just to kind of add to my collection. Number 3 on our list is the Reshoevn8r Essential Shoe Cleaning Kit. I recommend this personally because I've used it, and it's by far my favorite one to use. It gives you, of course, the cleaning solution and 3 bristle brushes to take it from a deep clean all the way to just a small touch up. And this is perfect from all types of materials. It works beautifully. This will give you, of course, the cleaning solution, the 3 bristle brushes, and a microfiber cloth to just wipe any of that excess solution away. The second, if you have that person, that special someone is just constantly on the go and just doesn't have time to just clean their kicks when they get home, or just constantly in a rush, I recommend getting the Crep Protect Cure bundle. This is a small little bundle, fits in your backpack, comes with the solution, 1 bristle brush, and of course the microfiber cloth to clean everything. Also gives you the Crep Protect wipes. These are awesome to just throw in your bag. No, these are not antibacterial wipes or just baby wipies. No, they're not that. These have a cleaning solution, the Crep cleaning solution, embedded into it to where you can just wipe your outsole, wipe the leather of your shoe, anything like that. It's got you covered. This is perfect. Just throw in your backpack, throw in your purse, throw in your bag, anything like that, and you're on your way. Also, what I like about this kit, and it's of course showing here for about $38, is it also gives you the rain and stain repellent. Just perfect. Crep Protect makes honestly the best repellent solution. So you just spray maybe a coat or 2 over your sneaker, and it's automatically just water resistant. Hands down, works better than any other brand that I've personally used. Now let's say you got that special someone that has their own apartment or their own house, or maybe just likes to display things on their shelves, i.e. me. You have a perfect book here, especially if they love books. You have the Complex Sneaker of the Year book. It's anywhere from 1985 to 2020, and it has all the sneakers of those years that were the best shoe of that time. It's a great guide just to look at it and see all the throwback kicks. It's good for any type of coffee table or just desk table accessory. Good for any type of people that have like books on their coffee table or in their restroom. Have that good to go. Let's say though that the person that you are shopping for already has this book. It's a very popular book, but if they already have this one, let's see if they have this one here. This is a Sneaker Freaker Ultimate Sneaker Book, and it gives you so many in-depth details of shoes, and it ranges from Air Maxes, Jordans, Reeboks, Adidas, you name it, it's got it in here. And it's all different excerpts from anywhere between Run DMC age to, of course, Jordan. You have the innovation of Nike's Air Max bubble in here as well. And it's great because it just takes different eras and it shows you different shoes that are just not, of course, the norm. The Jordan 1, the Jordan 3. It gives you so many different ideas of all the shoes that have recently come out and that came out in the past that may have not just been re-retroed or anything like that. It's a perfect coffee table book to just have for any of those sneaker lovers. Next on the list is the Lack IKEA wall shelves. This is a perfect shelf that you can use for your office or home, in your bedroom, anything like that, to show and display your special kicks. So if you have, of course, let's say some Yeezys or some Unions or just a whole bunch of different shoes that are in your collection, you have some Pharrells, you have some Jordan 1s, 3s, any kind of limited edition shoes, or just shoes that you love in general that mean a lot to you, throw them on that display. Get one for about $60. And then if you want, there's another, you can get two, of course. I would recommend getting two, especially if you have someone that likes to game and has their office. You can literally put them right next to their monitors and just see their display right then and there, right next to their desk. Looks awesome. Looks completely cool to have these just displayed there. You can get one for $60 or get multiple for, of course, $60 extra and make an entire display out of these. I recommend this one just because it's a little bit on the cheaper side, but of course it's going to get the job done. Now, if you want to splurge and get that special someone a higher or fancier drop front shoebox, you got the Sneaker Throne 2.0 from, of course, Sneaker Throne. These are a great alternative to the drop front boxes. They're a lot more expensive. Retails about $150 USD. And of course, right now you can see it's on sale for about $127.50. Still expensive, but for what it gives you, it covers up to 6 shoes. And you can see here that it's 6 Jordan 1s that it's throwing in this one container. It looks like a faux wood box that has built-in LEDs. I believe it gives you a remote as well to turn on and off the LEDs or change the colors. It's a perfect idea if you want to splurge and get them that special display piece for their office, bedroom, anything like that. This has got you covered. And last but not least, we have the RGB levitation display from Culture Kings. This is an awesome display piece that you can throw in their office, in their bedroom, in their home, anything like that, to show off that special pair of kicks that they just picked up, that they just want to show and flaunt to everyone else that caught the L, that they were able to get them. This is a perfect accent piece to any type of room. I'm sorry, like, this is awesome. I would love something like this just to throw in the back, just to show that special shoe that you copped no one else was able to get. So that person, if you copped those trophy Jordan 1s, that's for you. You get that. Or if you know someone that just copped them, get that for them. Have them displaying those kicks that they're probably never going to wear. Have them looking fly in their room. So that does it here today, folks. I appreciate all the love and support. If you like what you see, definitely drop me a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you can see when my next upload. Appreciate it. Peace out.